Today's a super short one. You'll see these cute little robes for kids and adults. Works for a lot of people. Hi sewing friends, I'm Karina from liftingpinsandneedles.com. Welcome to this channel that is all about sewing, limitless sewing, and this is a very short episode to let you know what the Feature Friday pattern is at Love Notions today. It's one I've made plenty of times. I've made it 3 times for myself, and then I've made it 3 times again using the kids version for my nieces, and it's the Compose robe. Super nice. I've made one in silk. I hacked it to have short sleeves so it can be like a summer version. Beautiful. I don't have that one anymore because my mom took it with her. It's hers now. I made another one for myself in this black broderie and glaze situation. Super nice. And then I made a winter version out of a sweater knit. For the sweater knit version, I made it with a hood. You can make it with a hood or just a neckband. And last summer, when I visited my parents and my family, I bought sweater knits with matching rib knits in the exact same color because I found a place that sold it like that. And I made my nieces 3 lovely robes. Now, they had never had robes before, and they were so happy. They're so cute, pink, purple, and like a burgundy color. Yeah, it's just amazing. I got this footage of them. I gave it to them as presents before I left. And I've been told they've been wearing them on repeat, like all the time. It's so cozy. It's flannel back sweatshirting material, so it's really cozy, and they turned out mega cute. So have a look. Check out these 3 little Compose robes I made my nieces. They are so pretty, all different colors, same fabric. It's a really good quality sweatshirting, and I found the exact same color in the rib knit. I've got sizes 5, 7, and 10 right here, and they're just so adorable. I love the colors. I picked each color for each individual niece, knowing what they like. I think the sun's not right here, so let's have a closer look. Burgundy one is for my oldest niece, and the other smaller ones are for my youngest. Let me show you the details on this small one. I used the band, and for the band I used the matching rib knit there. So easy, and it matches beautifully, keeps it close to the body. Inside it's all flannel backed. It's so nice, so soft. Love the colors. I took the time to sew little belt loops to keep the little belt in place. That was a lot of fun. Very heavy fabric. It took a lot out of the machine, but it was worth it. There's a little cuff with a rib knit, so nice. I decided to do the patch pockets for them. For my versions, I've never done pockets, but I think they're gonna really enjoy putting little things in there. And it's so cute. The belts all was super fun to do. Little hem inside. It's all very neat and closed. Such a cool technique. Once you got one done, you can do them all. I did them very quickly in succession in one day, and I was so happy to give them these gifts. Purple one, that color is so amazing. That's for my middle niece, and the light pink is for my youngest. When I made them, I couldn't wait to give it to them. And even though it was summer back then, in Chile, in the south of Chile, in the morning, it can be super cold until like 10 a.m. It's really cold. So I knew they were going to start wearing them straight away. Here they are, my brother's 3 daughters, so lovely. I think that's it though, there's no more nieces coming. The robe ended up being the longest on the youngest one, but she'll grow into that very quickly, and they were just so happy. They got some stuffed animals to model with, and yeah, so nice. When they had these on, it was the afternoon, it was pretty hot, but they were quite happy to come and let me film them. So yeah, adorable. So happy I made it for them, and they're just so adorable. I love them so much. Great gift idea for little ones. You don't have to worry about fit too much, just a general idea, and I think you'll be okay. Went up 1 size for each of them just to be on the safe side. Pattern is designed for women, sizes extra small to 5X. But I know that some people have made it for men. Just if you want to make it for a man, I think you should just check the chest measurement that it's going to work. Make it straighter on the sides because it's got a little bit of shaping, but I've seen it being made for men, so it could work as well. And the cool thing is that you can use knit and woven. I've done both knit and woven, and I think it's great. And for kids, you get sizes 2 to 16, super nice. I mean, yeah, it was really fun for me to make these up, and I had been saving that cute footage for such a long time to share it with you, maybe to inspire you to make it for little ones in your life as a present. I think it's awesome. It's a pretty easy make, it's not complicated at all, and I really enjoyed making them. This is the last time you see me here in this area with my bare arms. Probably the next time you see me, I'm gonna be filming outside wearing a hat and a scarf and something warm. My husband has already rented a home. He's already been living there for a few weeks. It's absolutely gorgeous, super cute. It's actually a house, it's not an apartment. And it's got a little backyard. So let's see how we get settled in there. I'm gonna be leaving with my son in the next couple of hours. Pretty hectic over here. I'm about 60% packed. I have to pack my sewing supplies and my filming supplies. And then the things I need, you know, actual packing things like clothes and all that. So I'll leave you here. Last time you see me in Brazil, next time, Cambridge, the UK. Have an amazing weekend. Yeah, mine's not going to be that amazing because I'm going to be taking a really long flight, but it'll be great to be all together again with my husband. It's going to be amazing. So next time over there, far away, over in England. Bye.